Imagine a robot in unknown place without any information of its surrounding environment. Can we command the robot to move autonomously to a target using only local sensor to detect obstacles without a map? In this paper, we try to answer this problem. We present a reactive navigation algorithm for mobile robots in unknown, arbitrary-shaped convex environment. This algorithm is inspired by electromagnetic phenomena observed in nature. It works just the way the Earth's magnetic field, protecting this planet from space particles, deviating their movement, which in the end produce aurora. Using this algorithm, we show that the robot is able to navigate unknown environment without a map towards a goal without being trapped in positions other than the desired positions. I'm Ataka from King's College London. Come to visit me to know more about my work. Thank you.